we're gonna do a drop test. Stay tuned for that. If not, I have already prepared a funeral for my iPhone. So if my iPhone does not survive, I've got my lovely skull here atop what would be the casket, which would be the iPhone box, which happens to be black, so I don't know if that's foreshadowing or not. Hey everybody, it's Jen from Lux Tech Travel, and we are in our new recording studio. So upgrading, you're not only going to get to see these jazz fingers, I'm just going to give you a few different types of vantage points. And today, to commemorate this moment, we are going to do a battle of the cases, Spigen versus Spigen, but in one corner we have the Tough Armor, and in the other corner we have the Rugged Armor. When I first looked up both of these, my first reaction was, what the hell is the difference? Is tough better than rugged? Is rugged better than tough? So, not only will we be doing an unboxing and going over the specs of each of these, we are also going to give you a drop test. Jose, maldita sea!
I'm sorry. You're again. Sorry.
If you ping your phone one more time while I'm recording, oh my god. Jose is dying behind the camera right now. Dying.
Okay.
So, much against Jose's wishes, I am going to drop test both of these cases with my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Midnight Green Edition, by the way. And we're going to see just how well both of these cases make out in a, I don't know if we're going to do 10-foot drop test. His face, oh my god, he's cringing right now behind that camera. But I want to give you a true review, guys. So, we'll decide later on. But definitely drop testing in the brand new iPhones. I have Apple Care. And let's see, because one of these is actually $20 more than the other one. We have one that retails at $24.99 and one that retails at $44.99. So we're going to help you decide if it's worth treating yourself to the more expensive case, or will you get the same drop protection with the cheaper one. So stay tuned, and we will be back with more details on this. Okay, and we're back now to get to the specs. We're going to do comparison, Tough Armor versus Rugged Armor. I'm not going to tell you which one is the more expensive one. I'd like for you guys to try to guess in the comments below, letting me know which one you think, whether it's the Tough Armor or Rugged Armor. Alright, so let's start out with the Tough Armor unboxing. Spigen's packaging is very simple. Nice little pull tab. And let's move everything out of the way. Simple, clear packaging. Goodbye. Installation, in case you needed to figure out how to put this on, and also how to take it off. Alright, so this one is the Tough Armor case by Spigen in the color Gunmetal, which is actually really nice. It's definitely more of a darker gray tone, but it's got a nice sheen to it. This is a dual layer case, so you've got the hard exterior and the more flexible interior. So let's do a fitting, see how she fits. So you always want to put in the more flexible inner lining first. The buttons work. Okay, now we're going to put that second layer of protection. And if you notice here, it does fit perfectly around the phone and the camera cutouts. Super simple. Everything just snapped right into place. If you want to just go around, do a look around. So you see the name of the Spigen Tough Armor. We have the cutouts for the speaker and charging ports. And as if that wasn't enough, this little Spigen logo here is not just there for decoration. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you a kickstand. Let's show you just how that kickstand works. So there you go. If you want to watch some Netflix, watch some YouTube, check out some more of our Lux Tech Travel videos, I'm just saying, they're awesome. You can do that, and when you're done, you just pop it back, and that's it. Okay, Tough Armor case has been checked out. Looks like we're good to go. Now, let's see how the Rugged Armor case matches up. If it's better, worse, who knows? And the competitor, same brand, but the Rugged Armor case is what we'll be checking out next. Same packaging. Pull the tab, pop it out, toss the box, plastic, little ASMR for you maybe, I don't know, or maybe that drives you crazy, and if so, sorry. And here we go. So right away, you can see that this one is definitely more flexible. It is a single layer, does not have that dual layer, but I am really liking the way this feel looks. And it's got almost like a carbon fiber effect happening down here. You've got the Spigen logo on the side. You're cut out to let everybody know that you spent as much as you did on your Apple device. This is, it's got a grippy kind of sensation, not necessarily anything that's annoying, just odd. There you go, a little more ASMR for you. On the inside, you can see that it has air cushion technology, and you've got the Spigen logo inside as well. Let's do a fit test. This one's definitely going to be a lot easier to put on. Watch this, guys. Ready? 1, 2, maybe 2.5 if you were really counting. But fits perfectly. You do have the opening for the camera. There is, let's see if we can get a nice zoomed action. There is a bit of a raised lip around that camera. You can see some protection there. Definitely not as much as the Tough Armor. So let's check out the cutouts. You've got your speaker ports, your charging ports. There is a raised lip around the sides. Not much though. Alright, so now let's do a side-by-side comparison of these two cases outside of the packaging. This one is the Tough Armor case, and this one is the Rugged Armor case. If you're still trying to guess which one is the more expensive one, definitely now is your chance to comment below and take that final guess. Tough Armor or Rugged Armor, which is the most expensive one? Remember, one of these cost $44.99, the other one cost $24.99. This was not sponsored, by the way, so I paid full price for both of these. Okay, so you can see here that the Tough Armor is a little bit thicker than the Rugged Armor. It's obviously, you know, more sturdy. And it does have that impact foam, which, I mean, I can press down on it. And if you look, I'm pressing down really hard with my thumb, and it does make an indent, but then it kind of pops back up. So, I mean, this is definitely something that you would feel confident in. Impact foam for the win. Whereas this one only has the air cushion technology, which, oh man, guys, I don't know how I feel about dropping my phone with this one. Okay, Jose might be right. He's not here to hear that, so he'll find out in the video that I might have admitted defeat. And we're gonna do a drop test. stay tuned for that. If not, I have already prepared a funeral for my iPhone in right here. So if my iPhone does not survive, I've got my lovely skull here atop what would be the casket, which would be the iPhone box, which happens to be black, so I don't know if that's foreshadowing or not. It's almost Halloween time, so I figured we go for some spooky vibes. Also, this just might be the end of the iPhone. Fingers crossed that it's not, though. Alright, stay tuned because next comes the drop test. Alright, so this is the moment we've been waiting for. The drop test. I have opted to only test out the Tough Armor case because, I'm sorry, but the Rugged, as I said earlier, is not rugged. It's sleek, it's stylish. I'm actually going to be wearing it on my phone tomorrow for work, but I can't. I can't in good conscience. So here we go. So just for your observation, I am 4'11". So if we drop it from about here, that's a little over 4 feet high. Actually, let's do here. Let's do 3 foot drop test. And it's going to be on solid hardwood floor. And
we'll have slow-mo video showing.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay.
You got this.
Let's check. Let's check.
It's fine.
Yeah.
5 feet
We're
now.
good. All right. Oh, 5 feet. So above my head. So now we know we're over 5 feet. And here we go. And we're still good! The Tough Armor case! There's not even a scratch on this! Let's get a zoom in on this!
Well, I mean, hardwood floor. Let's throw it out the window.
No. My glass is perfect as well. So, is it worth the splurge? This was the one, obviously, that costs more. So, $44.99 will keep your phone safe up to 5 foot drops. Anything more than that, I'm not responsible for. That's on you. This has been Jen, Lux Tech Travel. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more videos in our new studio. We've got a lot of new stuff coming. Peace.